The Silent Alarm, Diabetes Story Series by Oluwaseun. It started with tiredness, not the kind that sleep fixes. This was deep, like her bones were begging for rest. Kehin had brushed it off for weeks, blaming it on stress, motherhood, and long shifts at work. But something wasn't right. Then came the thirst, insatiable, constant. No amount of water seemed to quench it. And the weight loss. She hadn't even been trying. Still, she didn't go to the doctor until the blurry vision started. That was the last straw. In the clinic, after a few tests and a long wait, the doctor walked in with a soft sigh and said, "Kehind, your blood sugar is dangerously high. You have type 2 diabetes." The room spun. This is where her story begins. But this isn't just a story about a diagnosis. It's about fighting back, finding hope, and making small steps that lead to a powerful transformation. Have questions about today's episode or about diabetes in general? Drop them below and let's talk. Stay tuned for Week to Sweet Denial next week. Follow this page for the next episode. Like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss what happens next. Your journey in thirst continues next week.